representative for 5th grade. I'm going to tell you why. I believe in my innermost soul that really hurts, and that I am responsible, trustworthy, and dependable. And if you weren't listening to that, I will just have to give you free cookies. Now pass them out, hands. Pass them out, hands. Whoa! Yay! Throw them into the audience. Woo! We love you. I thank you. Vote for me in the election. Bye. Wait, I have one more thing to say. 1, my eye itches. Keep itching. Okay, that's good. And 2, vote for me, Lauren Smithy and David Henry. Ow! I thank you. And cut. I eventually got weak. I'm sorry.